Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu states, one night I stayed with my aunt Hazrat Maimuna radiyallahu anha and remained awake in order to watch how Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed the prayer. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up, passed water, washed his face and hands and went to sleep. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam later got up, made for a water skin, untied its opening, poured its water in a tub or some huge bowl, tipped that vessel with his hands and performed the ablution moderately in an extremely nice manner. And then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam stood up and started performing the prayer. I came and stood on his left side. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam clutched me and got me on his right side. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam completed 13 units, then lay down and started snoring. We knew that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would snore while sleeping. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then got up and started performing the prayer. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam would make this supplication in the prayer and prostration. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, create light in my heart, light in my eyes, light in my ears, light on my right, light on my left, light in front of me, light behind me, light above me, light beneath me, light for me, or said, make me light. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1791.